North American Division ASDASA 2026, where principals and superintendents come together to learn, grow, and lead.
Well, I'm so very happy that I came to this conference. I've learned so much about my responsibility as a principal to lead my school. What I liked very much was the workshop that dealt with my responsibility as a principal to the financial health of my school. And I'm just going back with everything that I've learned to make sure that my school is performing at optimum.
Yes, I did enjoy the building of capacity, where we built capacity for faculty members, auxiliary staff, ensuring that people are supported, ensuring that the resources that are necessary for teachers or faculty members to get their job done is there for them.
My best takeaway from these meetings was matching teacher skill and will so that we get the best results from each teacher.
We have come to the end of our conference. It's time for us to return to our fields of ministry. The ministry of building up each young person that enters our campuses, doing our part to help them experience Jesus and prepare them to meet Jesus face to face.
You're going to see an education ministry strategic plan, and we're going to go through that a little later on.